What's going on, guys? It Speaks Outdoors. Right now we're out here turkey hunting. We are trying it again. I have been turkey hunting ever since April 18. So I've been turkey hunting for quite a while now at this point. We got a new phone. Camera quality is a lot better. We do have a tom gobbling over the hill about 120 yards probably. But he does this every time. He'll sit over there, gobble, 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 come over top of the hill, see decoys, run away. Not necessarily like run away, but he'll just go the opposite direction like he doesn't like them, which is what I assume. But I've got 3 of them down the line a lot farther than I normally have them. So I'm hoping that does something, because I normally have them straight out in front. Now I have them like 30, I have them like maybe 20 yards that way instead of 40 yards out in front of me. So hopefully he'll come in. If not, hopefully any other the turkeys in the area come into my darn decoys, because I am so tired of turkey hunting. I would just like to stop at this point. Anyways, I'll get to you guys as soon as something happens. I love this new phone. It makes everything so much better. So much better. I'm sorry, I had to come on. I had to come back because, you know, I had to change it to 4K 60 FPS. It's fun. It's a fun phone. I'm sorry. Alright, so we're back out here for the second part of this video. We still haven't killed the turkey yet, and getting kind of annoyed with it. But you know what? It's all about hunting. You know, you're out here hunting, you're trying to kill a bird. The birds just don't want to come, so I've only got a hen out now. I've taken the Jake out of the equation because I'm thinking the tom is getting a little timid by the Jake, even though he has 2 Jakes with him, which makes no sense. But we're back out here for another day, and he's gobbling as always, and then he comes out of this field about into the middle, and that hen will walk all the way over here, and he'll just stay in the middle because there was a Jake decoy over here, is what I'm thinking. But hopefully this time, with just a hen sitting there, he will come all the way into the decoy, and we can just, you know what I mean, just shoot them. I'm hoping that's what happens this morning. If that happens way before 8:30, I will be going to church because I need to go to church. So, anywho, as soon as something turns up or something happens, I will pan the camera around. We'll figure out what in the world's going on, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. There's a bird. Right there. There's a bird right there. I literally just stopped talking to the camera, and boom, there's a bird. Looks to be just a hen though, so we'll see what happens.